Dear friends, welcome to my channel Education and Career Success. Dear friends, in this video we are going to talk how to use present continuous tense and present perfect continuous tense. Present continuous tense is the most commonly used tense on regular basis. The structure of present continuous tense is subject plus, am, is plus, base verb plus ing. Teach plus ing, teaching. Write plus ing, writing. Add ing to the base verb. Take a look at these examples. I am working. We are working. You are working. They are working. He is working. She is working. It is working. Present continuous tense is used to talk about ongoing activities. Activities that are happening at the time of speaking. I am teaching. You are listening. They are making notes. Present continuous tense is also used to talk about two or more activities happening at the same time. Take a look at these examples. Reena is watching serial. Her brother is playing cricket. Her mother is cooking dinner. Her elder sister is helping her mother by slicing vegetables. Present continuous tense is also used to talk about pre-planned activities. Future plans. Take a look at these examples. She is leaving tomorrow. She is not coming for work next week. I am not cooking dinner tonight. What are you cooking tomorrow? He is retiring in the next month. Their house is being renovated in the next week. We can convert affirmative sentence into negative sentence by adding not to the am, is, or. I am working. I am not working. We are working. We are not working. You are working. You are not working. They are working. They are not working. He is working. He is not working. She is working. She is not working. It is working. It is not working. Now take a look at how to use present perfect continuous tense. The structure of present perfect continuous tense is subject plus, have, has plus, been plus, base verb plus ing. I have been working. We have been working. You have been working. They have been working. He has been working. She has been working. It has been working. Dear friends, present continuous tense is connected only to the present, but present perfect continuous tense is connected to the past and present. Present perfect continuous tense is used to talk about an activity started in the past, continuing in the present, and may continue in the future also. Take a look at this example. She has been teaching grammar. It means that she started teaching grammar sometime in the past. She is still teaching and she may continue teaching in the future also. Generally, present perfect continuous tense is used to emphasize how long the activity has been happening. In order to emphasize time, present perfect continuous tense is used with since or for. Since is used with point of time, for with period of time. Since with exact time, exact week, exact month, exact year, exact occasion. Since 6 o'clock, since 7 o'clock, since Monday, since January, since 1947, since Ugadi, since he was a child, since Independence Day, etc. For is used with period of time, for 2 seconds, for 2 minutes, for 20 minutes, for 2 hours, for 2 days, for 2 weeks, for 2 months, for 2 years, for long time. Dear friends, take a look at these examples. India has been independent country since 1947. But don't say India is independent country since 1947. We have been celebrating Independence Day for 75 years. But don't say we are celebrating Independence Day for 75 years. He has been playing cricket since he was 12 years old. But don't say he is playing cricket since he was 12 years old. It has been raining for 5 hours. Don't say it is raining for 5 hours. She has been staying in India since she left England. Don't say she is staying in India since she left England. So, since used with point of time, for with period of time. But don't use stative verbs with present continuous tense or present perfect continuous tense. Stative verbs such as agree, accept, understand, compliment, appreciate, trust, believe, etc. I agree with you. Don't say I am agreeing with you. I accept you. Don't say I am accepting you. I appreciate you. Don't say I am appreciating you. I understand. Don't say I am understanding you. I believe you. Don't say I am believing you. I trust you. Don't say I am trusting you. Dear friends, hope you might have understood how to use present continuous tense, present perfect continuous tense. After watching this video, write 20 sentences in the present continuous tense and 20 in the present perfect continuous tense. Thank you. Happy learning.